Hello, I'm Jane, virtual presenter of the Innova Plus channel. Innova Plus News, MCTI and Embrapii is on the air, bringing publications available on the internet between March 27 and 28, 2024. But, before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel, here on YouTube. It's fast and free. If you have already signed up, then, thank you so much for your support. Enjoy and press the notification bell to stay on top of the channel's news, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's go to today's posts. First block, MCTI. News number 1, MCTI, March 26, 2024, the nuclear sector is debated at a thematic conference held by CNEN in Rio de Janeiro. The thematic conference on nuclear technology was held in Rio de Janeiro on March 20th and 21st by CNEN, a research unit linked to the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCT. The debate is generating inputs for the 5th National Conference on Science, Technology and Innovation, 5CNCTI, that takes place in Brasilia. Paula Helena Ortiz Lima, CEO of the Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship in Technology, CITEC, as one of the biggest challenges in the sector is to explain to society its clear, understandable and concrete mission. Mauricio Gages, from the Secretariat of Economic Development of the state of Rio de Janeiro, mediated the first day of debates. CNEN and other institutions in the Brazilian nuclear sector participated in debates on the need for integration between CNEN, universities and companies to promote financing and cooperation, and the importance of strengthening CNEN as an articulating body to distribute resources and promote integration between the public, academic and business sectors. Francisco Rondinelli, president of CNEN, took the opportunity to emphasize the urgency of establishing the Brazilian nuclear program, recognized by the federal government as strategic for the country. News number 2, MCTI, March 27, 2024, project will outline green financing strategy aligned with Brazil's climate ambition. The Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, and the Talanoa Institute, in collaboration with ERMNINT, announced a joint project, supported by UK PACT, with the aim of defining a green finance strategy aligned with Brazil's climate ambitions under the Paris Agreement. The project, funded by the British government through the UK's PACT programme, aims to connect financial instruments to scenarios for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and adapting to climate change, enabling investment in climate-friendly economic development and meeting the targets set by the National Contribution Determination, NDC. The project aims to identify financial instruments, capacities and government, enabling a long-term climate finance strategy in Brazil. The project aims to accelerate the financing of projects that aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and accelerate the process of adaptation to climate change in developing countries. News number 3, MCTI, March 27, 2024, thematic conference discusses challenges and possibilities of artificial intelligence. The Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, participated in a thematic conference on artificial intelligence at the Federal University of ABC, UFABC, in São Bernardo do Campo. The event was part of the preparations for the VN National Conference on Science, Technology and Innovation, which will take place in Brazil from June 4 to 6. The special advisor, Renata Miele, represented the MCTI and highlighted the importance of AI in the ministry's work in the Brazilian Strategy for Artificial Intelligence (EBIA) since December 2023. The MCTI will also hold a public consultation on AI, with the aim of developing AI tools that contribute to economic development, reduction of social inequality, health, education, and the fight against hunger. The MCTI has already implemented actions such as promoting the installation of 10 applied research centers in artificial intelligence, with a focus on problem-solving and the training of human resources. The conferences also highlighted the importance of these conferences for the development of a national strategy for science, technology and innovation, which will be implemented over the next decade. News number 4, MCTI, March 28, 2024, Ministry promotes G20 side event on artificial intelligence. The Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, is promoting a side event called Artificial Intelligence for Social Equity and Sustainable Development within the G20 program. The event will take place on April 17 at the Vladimir Martinho Auditorium at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, in Brasilia. The initiative is part of the Digital Economy Working Group and will discuss challenges such as the distribution of AI activities and infrastructure around the world, as well as solutions for governments, private sectors and civil society to adapt to new technologies. The event will also address the number of artificial intelligence infrastructure, qualification of human resources, ethical aspects, data security, and the escalation of socioeconomic disparities. Brazil has temporarily assumed the presidency of the G20 since December 1, 2023 and will organize more than 100 working group meetings and about 20 ministerial meetings, culminating in the Summit of Heads of Government and State in Rio de Janeiro. News number 5, MCTI, March 28, 2024, Brazil and France sign an agreement for scientific cooperation in the Amazon. Brazil and France signed an agreement to strengthen scientific cooperation in the Amazon region, with the aim of revitalizing the Franco-Brazilian Center for Biodiversity and Bioeconomy, created in 2008. The center will function as a virtual network of universities, institutes, and research initiatives focused on bioeconomy, health, sustainability, and climate change. The agreement was signed by Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva and French President Emmanuel Macron, who highlighted the importance of the bioeconomy in the common agenda between the two countries. The center will be implemented by the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, the Ministry of Education, MEC, and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Embrapii. The project does not involve the transfer of financial resources between Brazil and France, but will be financed within the budgets of the respective countries and with the support of partner companies. Second block, Embrapii. News number 6, Industrial Automation, March 27, 2024, Endress+Hauser Brazil chooses Belo Horizonte to open first customer center of excellence. Endress+Hauser Brazil chose Belo Horizonte to open its first Customer Center of Excellence, CEC, in the city of Minas Gerais. CECs are high-tech spaces created by the company to demonstrate the application of its products and allow customers to discover how Endress+Hauser solutions can be applied in their industries. The demonstrations are based on process improvement and analysis. The CEC is located in BH.Tech, Belo Horizonte Technological Park, and will be the first of a manufacturing unit. The company plans to invest in CEC in Brazil, Colombia and Chile to increase production and expand its presence in these countries. In 2023, Endress+Hauser announced a long-term strategy focused on the sustainable growth of its operations and its customers through the application of its technologically and efficiently developed products. News number 7, FIERN, March 27, 2024, FIERN's Innovation Commission holds its first meeting of 2024 at IMD. The Innovation, Science and Technology Commission, FIERN, held its first meeting of 2024 at the Digital Metropolis Institute, IMD, of UFRN. The meeting discussed the importance of innovation, leadership training, and financial resources for companies in research, development, and innovation, RDI, projects. The meeting also highlighted the need for a specialized area to meet the demands of the sector, such as the federal program Nova Industria Brazil, NIB, which will make 300 billion Brazilian reals available in 4 years. The meeting also highlighted the importance of integrating industrial sectors with research institutes in the field of economic development. The Commission also promoted visits to IMD's prototyping laboratories and the NPD Research Center. News number 8, Digital Health News, March 27, 2024, Einstein is chosen to manage Embrapii's center and boost advanced therapies in Brazil. The Einstein Hospital was chosen to manage the Embrapii Research Center and promote advanced therapies in Brazil. The center will receive investments from the Brazilian Research and Innovation Corporation, Embrapii, and the São Paulo Research Foundation, FAPESP, to advance the study of innovative therapies. The center will also expand access to courses and events promoted by the organization, such as the International Symposium on Chemotherapy and Cell Therapy. The center will also integrate startups interested in advanced therapies, providing access to consulting offices and infrastructure for research projects and professional training. The Einstein Center is the only one in Latin America with accreditation for manipulation and use of advanced therapies. The center will also develop new treatments for rare diseases, orthopedics, solid tumor oncology, fetal medicine, nephrology, endocrinology, and ophthalmology. News number 9, Folha de Pernambuco, March 27, 2024, Embrapii stimulates innovation and paves the way for investment in a lecture in Recife. Embrapii, a Brazilian company, has promoted innovation and opened doors for investments in the region. The company, which has received few projects in the Pernambuco region, aims to show the financing options available to startups. The initiative, promoted by Softex, aims to provide a better understanding of the dynamics of financing in the sector. Embrapii operates in 20 sectors, including agribusiness, health, mobility, energy, bioeconomy, and aerospace. The company also has contracts with the federal government and important partnerships with BNDES and SEBRE.